Pause recording.
Hi, my name is Oscar. So, my mommy and I went to voice lessons today because she takes voice lessons. And so, whenever that happens, we just, she harnesses me up. And then we go to voice lessons, but we have to wait for our Uber. And so we we waited for our Uber today, and people won't help us to where we're supposed to get our Uber. Like, yes, I can find the car for him, for her, but I can't. I can't find cars. Like, I can find cars, but I don't know what is the right car. So it's really confusing for me and my mommy. And then after that, we came home because 202 wasn't open. That's where we usually go after voice lessons. And then we can't go to the store because the power's out at the store. So I am currently just sleeping and resting. And then we are going to go to rehearsal later today or later this evening. And then we're gonna come home and then, but I'm excited because Thursday morning we don't have to go anywhere until Thursday afternoon when we go to work because we only go to voice lessons on Wednesdays. And then every other day we get playtime in the mornings now because we can't go to the gym anymore because mommy and I can't get to the West Side Rec Center. We can only get to the Candy Cane Rec Center taking the transportation service. So yeah, that is our plan today, and I'm just enjoying my life with my mommy. Oh, and she's gonna groove me later too. And I hate it when she brushes my teeth, but she brushed my teeth this morning, and I absolutely hate it, but I know it has to happen. Apparently, humans and dogs have to be there, have their teeth brushed. I don't understand that, but it's whatever. And it's cooler outside. I like being outside in this weather. I don't like the heat, even though I'm used to being in the heat because it's Texas. And I was raised in Texas by two groups of puppy raisers.
Selected. Use video clip button.